Let me show you how to make this firewood smoky patty jollof rice. This rice was so delicious. So to start, we're going to put this iron pot on fire. We make sure the firewoods are well lighted. So now it's time to transfer the oil into the pot. This oil has been previously used to fry meat, so it's better to use the oil that has been used to fry meat or chicken to prepare your jollof rice. So when the oil gets hot, we are going to transfer in the sliced and diced onions. We are going to fry the onions well in the oil for like 10 minutes so we can get in the flavor of the onions into the oil. After the oil has fried, I'm going to transfer in the tomato paste. For this recipe, we are using Sonia Tomato paste. You can use Derica, you can use Gino. There are a lot of good tomato paste to use for your party jollof rice out there. So I'm going to be transferring the tomato paste into the oil while someone else is stir frying it. We made sure the tomato paste fries well so that the sour taste can leave the tomato. Make sure you take time to fry the tomato paste. For this cooking, we'll fry the tomato paste for like 10 to 15 minutes so that we can get a good taste out of the tomato paste. After the tomato paste has fried well, we transferred in our boiled pepper mix. This pepper mix consists of tomatoes, scotch bonnet, and paprika pepper and onions, enough onions. So we transferred in the pepper mix into the fried tomato paste and we stirred this well and also made sure to cook this well for like 15 minutes. After the pepper mix is well cooked, it's time to transfer in the spices and the seasoning cube. So at this point, I added in seasoning cube. I used knorr cubes. We added in curry. We used tiger curry and tiger thyme. At this point, when I was adding the seasoning and the spices, my camera, I don't know what happened, it went off. This was me adding the seasoning cube. At this point, I also added the curry and the thyme. I'm going to put a picture of the ingredients we used somewhere on the screen. So at this point, the stew was well fried. So the next thing to do is to add in enough water. At this point also, we added the meat stock. The next thing to do now is just to cover this up and allow it to boil well. We have to let it boil well. So while it's boiling, we've gone to wash the rice. So now the water, the jollof rice base is boiling seriously now. So now it's time to transfer in the well-washed rice into the jollof rice base. Now we tasted the water because whatever this base give you is how your jollof rice is going to come out. So we tasted it, we saw that the seasoning cube was not enough and we added more seasoning cube. So after that, we are going to transfer in the washed rice into the jollof rice base. So after we are done pouring the rice into the base, we are going to stir this together so that the rice is not just poured in one place. We are going to stir this together so that the rice can spread well inside the water. Also, we are going to make sure the fire surrounds the pot, not that the fire is burning on one side and it's not burning on the other side. So we made sure that every side of the pot has fire burning underneath it. So this is what we are doing. We are trying to check if the fire is burning on all the sides of the pot so that all sides can be cooked well. After we realized that all sides are well lit, we covered up the rice for it to cook. After 10 minutes of cooking, we opened the rice up and stirred it a bit so that the rice that is up can go down and the ones that are down can come up and everything can cook well. That is why they are stirring the rice. We are going to do this for like 3 times before the rice gets ready. So this was after 15 minutes of stirring the first time. So the rice is almost ready, but we added a little bit of water for it to get cooked well. You can see the smoke. Yes, that's what gives you jollof rice, that smoky patty taste. So we are going to stir the rice a bit, then cover it up to cook. When the rice was almost ready, we took out all the fire underneath the rice and left a few charcoal that has heat in it, because we want just the steam to cook the rice. We don't need fire again. So at this point, we added some margarine. We added King's margarine and we covered this up to steam. And here is the final result of our cooking. This jollof rice was very tasty. It was smoky. It was the perfect party jollof rice, very tasty and very delicious. So after it is ready, they just stir it around a bit so that they are not clogged together. And here it is, a delicious party rice is ready. And here we are transferring a delicious party jollof rice into the warmer before we serve our party guests. I hope you enjoyed and learned one or two from this cooking. If you have any question, any contribution, any request, you can drop it in the comments section. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching this video. Till I come your way next time, please do well to subscribe, do well to drop a comment, and please also do well to give this video a thumbs up. It's going to help people find my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.